This is our second video. The Wurlitzer 1400 is progressing along. It doesn't look like it. However, we're going to be doing some keyboard work soon. The amplifier has been rebuilt. New caps in it, but she's still pretty dirty. What I just finished was the tone arms. Tone arms on this series of Wurlitzer, there's an upper and a lower tone arm. One for A side, one for B side. And the B side tone arm, someone had replaced the tone arm wire with this junk and strung it along pretty poorly. So now we've got new shielded tone arm wire. What's interesting about these is that in order to be able to switch from the A to the B side, there's a little switch. You can see the tab, and on the B side the tab goes up and switches from the A to the B tone arm. That way you get only one load at a time. So that's just been completed. You see she's still pretty dirty down here, but does work well. Now, these records are pretty well junk records as well. They're just basically thrown in records. So they're skippers, and this does need to have the tone arm settings. It was just completed. The original Cobra cartridges are here. You can see, possibly, what happens when a tone arm has got too much weight on it. I guess you can't too well because I just can't get the focus in, but it literally digs the record up. These records are junk records, but it literally ice picks the record. So we're going to go and we're going to reset the tone arm tracking so that they will go ahead and work properly. So next on the list is the keyboard. Some of the keyboard connections aren't good, so we're going to go and clean those. And you can see how utterly dirty it is underneath of that. It's all got to get cleaned up so we can get proper functioning out of it. But she works pretty decent now. Pretty much it'll play all records, A and B sides now. So, more later on.